Hey YouTubers, and welcome once again to the Samurai Monkey 42. And I'm making this mini video to show you guys once again another awesome World War II Japanese flag from my collection. This one is one that stands out the most, so I decided to make this mini video and show you guys the signatures on it. So let's check it out. I'm gonna start on this corner here, and you can see just pretty excellent kanji on it. Okay, so I got a better angle here. And on this side, it's a really nice World War II Japanese flag. I think I have about 100 of this World War II Japanese flags. And here in the center, I have this really cool World War II Japanese helmet, and this really cool Japanese Tento suicide knife that I'm going to be showing just in my next videos. I have tons of stuff that I want to show you guys. This is my favorite. Side of the flag, because it has this really cool kanji on the side. Look at all of that. It's just freaking amazing. I have tons of World War II Japanese flags that I want to show you guys, but I just don't have a lot of time. Time is just one of those things that you can't buy. And I want to show you guys also the corners, gold corners here on the side. It's just pretty cool. I really like the gold corners like that because it makes the flag look more elegant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little quick mini video for you guys today. If you're watching this video, thank you so much for watching again. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna keep on coming up with really cool stuff, stuff that you guys probably never seen before, but we're gonna look at it together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my eBay store, the Samurai Monkey 42. Have a good night.